Question 21 is another local question, although this time the local condition is added to a partial solution question. They want a complete and accurate list of things that could be in bouquet 2 at the same time. So we're going to start with the if condition, put down some spaces to add it to, and then put the t in place. Now of course, because of the last rule, anytime you have a t, you have to add a p. And because of the first rule, anytime something goes into bouquet 1, it isn't allowed into bouquet 3. So bouquet 3 is going to lose L, P, and T. Now remember that bouquet 3 does need to have two things it shares with bouquet 2, and since we've struck 3 things, that means that the only 2 that are left, S and R, are going to have to be what fills out bouquet 3, which means that bouquet 1 is not going to be able to get those flowers. It can't have an R or an S, and also it can't have the L, because if you don't get an R, you also can't have an L. And then of course bouquet 2 is going to get the 2 flowers that bouquet 3 has definitely. It'll get an S and an R. Now at this point, bouquets 1 and 3 are filled. Each of them has 2 things, and then they've gotten rid of 3 things. So only bouquet 2 is open for new things. Because bouquet 2 has an S, then we know it can't have an L. But whether it has a P and a T is open. It could have a T and a P both, or it could just have a P. Remember, you can have P without T even if you can't have T without P. So that's as far as we're going to be able to take the sketch. But now notice we do know something about bouquet 2. It has to have both S and R in it. So if you look at the answer choices, we can go ahead and eliminate answer choices A and D because they don't have an S. And we can eliminate answer choices B and C because they don't have an R, which means the only answer it could be is answer choice E. It could be that we have the S and the R and then both a P and a T. So E is our answer, and we move to the next question.